'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house every creature was dancing to the music of Strauss. Meanwhile in the kitchen the dinos did roar, which meant it was time for a new holiday s'more. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of S'mores and More, where we take the traditional campfire treat and turn it on its head. My name is Sean P. Meddy, and today we have a very festive episode. So before we go any further, I want to wish you and your family and friends and loved ones a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's greetings, a very festive Yuletide, and in the end, good tidings of comfort and joy to all of you. Now, today we will be making gingerbread Oreo s'mores, or the gingerbread smorio. Now, some of you that may have watched some of our other videos know that previously I made a s'more out of another limited edition flavor Oreo, the apple cider donut Oreo. It still haunts my mind and my taste buds. But I have good hopes for today. I don't know why. Maybe it's that feeling of the season of hope that these will taste better. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just try these out, see how they are, and then we're gonna turn them into a s'more. So here we go. Let's peel back the top of this. I say that as if it's easy. Come on. Wow. These actually smell pretty good. They actually kind of smell like gingerbread. But the real test, well, let's look at it. So it's got, it's got a little gingerbread man on one side. That's adorable. So I should say, it's supposed to be a gingerbread, let's look at this. A gingerbread flavored cookie with cream and crunchy, cream and crunchy crystals. I hope that doesn't mean it's bad. Well, we can't, no putting it off. Let's try it out. All right. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-huh. Okay, good. Very good. The cookie legitimately tastes like gingerbread. So, good. Good on you, Oreo. You nailed that one. And the cream. The cream, although it's not the traditional Oreo cream, the cream actually, the cream is a nice companion. It instead of distracting or taking away focus from the cookie, it actually enhances it. Thank you. Finally, we have something that is not as bad as the apple cider donut Oreos. Great. I am so excited to make this into a s'more. Making Oreos into s'mores is incredibly easy. All you have to do is have some Oreos. You need some chocolate. And because these are smaller than your traditional graham cracker, you're only going to need 2 pieces of chocolate on there. And then you're going to need to toast your marshmallow. What a nice marshmallow. I think we shall take this marshmallow and make it into our s'more. So, let's see what that looks like. Thank you, Marshmallow Sorcerer X. So let's turn this into a s'more. And so, our marshmallow is toasted. Let's put that last piece of the cookie back on top And we have got our gingerbread Oreo s'more. Let's try this out. It actually looks good. Oh, the nice toasted brown of the marshmallow complements the cookie. And it actually smells good. Please let this be good. Oh. That is a nice, this is legit, a nice flavored s'more. At first, you almost feel like the marshmallow might be a little overpowering because it is the biggest component of this s'more. At the beginning, you might feel like the marshmallow is overpowering everything else. But as you start to chew, the chocolate gives way and starts circulating around your mouth and coating it with a nice, beautiful, subtle And then, right before you swallow, the ginger from the gingerbread just fills your whole mouth with a wonderful feeling of holiday cheer. Oh, what a wonderful s'more. I highly endorse this s'more. If you're out shopping and you see these gingerbread Oreos, I'd recommend them. Maybe not necessarily if you want to make s'mores out of them, great. If you just want to try them out, they're not bad. Excellent. Oh, look, I'm going. I guess I should be going. Ho, ho, ho! Well, that concludes this episode of S'mores and More. I hope you had fun. I know I certainly did. I know that this can be a very stressful time of the year, and maybe you end up not even watching this video at this time of the year, and you know what? That's fine. I hope whenever you see this video, it brings you a little bit of cheer, a little bit of joy. That's why I do these videos. It's fun for me, and I hope I can share a little bit of fun for you. Or provide you a little bit of fun. So, until next time, stay safe out there. I'll see you really soon. And you know, to conclude this video, I can't think of anything better than the words that I've been saying pretty much for the last month. And so, as Tiny Tim observed, God bless us, everyone. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'll see you really soon.